Today I'm gonna be playing some Obby, but you're a bird. I played this game a little like probably 1 year ago, but I never started my YouTube channel at that time. So I'm gonna play it again and try to reach 300 meters. So guys, this didn't work out. I only reached 210 meters, not 300 meters. My bad. I'm really dumb. This. I said. I don't even know what I said. Okay, how do I even do this? Oh, I'm dumb. I have to go over here. Oh, I barely made it. I'm so bad. So I'm gonna have to jump over here, over here. The pink one is like 100% hard. Well, it's not like impossible, but okay, bro. But like I was like sweating and like I was like my heart was beating so fast because it was this. For me, this was like most intense obby because it's intense. Okay, this one I need to get past. Oh, okay. Dang, where are the checkpoints? I need checkpoints. Oh wait, I jumped. Okay. Okay, I did it. Wait, where do I even go? Oh, right here. Okay. I can't even see out right here. I don't want to fall. Okay. Where do I even go? Okay, I did it. If I fall here... No! First checkpoint is when you get to 210. 210. No, I died. Ugh. Shit block. Bro, it's so warm outside. Like, I almost like I can't even explain. I was sweating. No, I pressed jump. Hey guys, I'm gonna speed it up. I did not even see that. I'm so lucky. I'm a lucky goose. Get it? Dang it! Why? I gotta do all the crazy stuff. Time to speedrun. Okay, guys. guys, I died. I've been like happy right now. And then I would have probably like, if I was the number one Obby player in Roblox, I would have probably even beaten this in like beaten the first. No, I wonder what. Oh, I wonder what 200 and not 200 and. Oh my god. To me, because I'm not even like good at obbies. Well, I'm like a pro, not like a god at obbies, you know? Because if I was a god at obbies, I would have zoomed through this, okay? Okay, guys. If I feel like when I'm at like if I feel at like one simple thing, like I cannot mess this up. I cannot. This part is pretty simple, you know, you just gotta jump. I feel like this is the easiest part right here. Can you? This part pretty simple as well. And just jump over here, and then you go to this part, which I think is one of the hardest. And then you go over here. Okay, this one, I'll say we need to time it. Okay, I think this is the reason why this is here. No. Okay, I just saved myself. Good thing that was there. Okay? Because then I would have fallen all the way down. Okay, good timing. Good timing. Perfect timing, actually. Okay, now I know what to do on this one. Okay, go over here. I'm actually the shit right now. Easy. Not really. Oh my, I almost jumped. Whoa, this game is making me rage right now, bro. This is the most stressful game I've ever played. The most stressful obby I have ever played, okay? I'm gonna speed this up right now. No! Guys, you could come try this right now. But probably some of you guys haven't played it, so you would probably start at the beginning, which is the simplest thing in world history, obviously. I feel like you have to like practice more at doing obbies because this obby, I'm so stressed. This obby is just making me mad. Okay, right there, I was so stressed I was gonna fall. Also, right there, I was stressed I was gonna fall. Come on, I can do this. No! I was about to jump. Go. How? How? This is so annoying. 1, 2. Up here! What is this? I gotta like be quick. Go. I can't pass this level. What? I used to be a perfect timer. Now I'm just a thing. Just weird. Finally! Finally! Okay. I made it! I can't say that yet because I can jinx this. I went the wrong way. Oh, never mind. I thought I did. I see that. Now I see that. Just gotta go right here. Wait. Oh, yeah, I died over here. Oh, I'm so dumb. I'm supposed to go here and jump. Guys, I'm so sorry for the stupid brain moment. Okay, what is this? What is this? Okay. guys, I cannot see anything. I can't see anything, guys. Guys, no. I swear I can't see anything. That's a ladder. That's a ladder. That's a ladder. Guys, I'm so scared. Go here. Oh my. Oh no. Oh no, guys. I keep messing this up. I don't know if I had shift lock. Oh, let's go. Wind consumes. What? Ooh, nice. Wait, what do I do over here? Bro, there's no button yet. What is this? I'm gonna fall and break my neck. I'm so lucky that platform is right there because I would have died right now and I would have respawned. And if I die right here, I'm going to be really mad because I tried my best and did everything here. I was about to fall. I was about to be like, okay, wait a minute. No. Perfect timing. I want to stay still. Oh, go! Yes! Okay. Where's the checkpoint? Yes! The checkpoint! Oh. And I was right, guys. See? I know my stuff. I'm actually so okay. What was that? Good thing I have a checkpoint because I would have been mad right there. Okay, is this impossible? Huh? How do I do this? I'm like... No! Oh my. Yeah, right now. Oh, it was like that! It was like that, mate. Why am I talking British? Okay, how do I go? No!
Bro has the smoothest brain.
Why did I go back? Okay. Okay. Where am I? Okay, guys, I didn't die. I didn't die. Okay, I didn't die though. I didn't die. I could respawn, but I can't die. Guys, the video was about to end right there. If I die, the video ends for myself. Okay. I'm not gonna do that. This is like, guys, if you were me, you would have been like sweating like crazy. Well, I feel like nobody would be sweating like crazy like me. Oh, okay, how did I do that? 220, where's 220, bro? Guys, how am I not dying? Why would I even say that? Now I'm probably gonna die. Okay, where do I go? I just want to jump there. I'm so confused. Where do I go? Okay, I just went back to spawn. Nice. See, he's doing the. Oh, he's going somewhere else. I'm gonna follow him. What did he just do? Did you guys see that? He like kind of double jumped. I died. Of course, when I'm like 1 millisecond from my spawn, I die. I didn't want to end the video like this, guys. I thought I was gonna reach 300 meters, you know? But no, fail. Wow, wow, wow. Well, if you guys enjoyed that video, I'll see you on the next one. Peace.